Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. Guys, this is a beginner friendly wig. It is a pixie wig. It came exactly like this. I did not curl it, I did not cut the lace, I did not bleach the knots. It came exactly like this. The only thing that I did was just to unbox it and put it on my head, and this is how gorgeous I am looking. So you can get it for yourself, you can get it for your mother, you can get it for, you know, a friend who does not know anything about wigs, and they are going to look as gorgeous as me. All right, so I am really excited. Without any further ado, you guys, let's get straight into today's video.
Could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the box. It is purple and silver with the bow. Okay, so let's see what is inside. They were kind enough to send me this wig storage bag. It is branded, 2 pieces of wig caps, and of course this branded Luvme Hair wig band. And now the stuff that shows straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. So it is pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-bleached. Everything is done for you, and this is how the wig is looking. Look at that. It is nice and shiny. It is beginner friendly because everything is literally done for you, you guys. So this is HD lace, by the way. It's a C-part HD lace, and it is pre-bleached and pre-cut for you. So this is how the lace is looking. All right, so it is also pre-styled. As you can see, they curled it nicely for us, and yeah, this is how the wig looks inside. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 right here at the back. It also has these 2 adjustable belts, and of course this extra belt as well. This wig is nice and stretchy. Okay, it is very lightweight. All right, so do not worry, it's not going to be heavy on your head. All right, so this is how it is looking. I am so excited. So let's put this baby on and let's see how she looks. I'm pretty sure she's going to look amazing. The box. Okay, yeah, straight. Look at that, guys. Straight out of the box, this is how this pixie cut is looking. Nothing was done to this wig. Okay, look at that. Wow. So basically this wig is beginner friendly. Okay, you don't have to do a lot, all right, to look this good. Okay, so you can get this wig for your mother, you can get it for yourself, you can get it for your friend who does not know anything about wigs, and they will look as good as I do. All right, look at this parting, you guys. Luvme Hair. Wow, see the curls, you can just, you know, do anything you want with these curls and they just bounce back. Yep, I'm impressed.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it
Wow.
felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye.